Hello, my name is Father Lark Muncie. I'm a priest within the Priestly Society of the Blessed Sacrament. I've never made a video before, so I hope that y'all won't judge me too harshly for this. There have been a lot of videos and podcasts made to show support for the GLBT community. However, the number of young people that commit suicides and that are bullied into death have grown in leaps and bounds quite recently. A lot of times these bullyings are forced on kids from their own peers, sometimes from adults, and sometimes even members of the clergy. I want to take the time to tell you all, there is hope. And regardless of what these shameful men and women tell you, God loves you. He created you in His image, and in His image is the fullness of love. Regardless if you're struggling at home, school, or even the place of worship, God sees you. He knows your hurts, your feelings. He is there to carry you when you're broken, and a source of strength when you are weak. Whenever you feel alone, persecuted, or forgotten, when love doesn't seem to exist in your world, He is there. I too have had my hardships. I was laughed at and taunted as a kid. I have shared the same struggles and difficulties of being a teenager and not exactly fitting in. I too am gay, and with God's help, I've overcome their hate with love, His love, and that is all the love anyone will ever need. Keep your head held high, because it does get better.